In this video, we'll use the RO2S 250 breaker and install the RO2S 250P remote control rotary handle accessory. Rotate the handle so the switching mechanism drops down. You can now line up and attach the rotary handle housing onto the RO2S breaker. Tighten the screw until it clicks into place. Repeat the process with the second screw. Next, prepare all the parts and use a cabinet door or a false panel for the rotary handle installation. Then orient the breaker to match your mounting direction. Insert the handle coupling until it slots firmly into place. Use the correct screw and tighten it with an Allen key. After that, secure it with a washer and nut. Now screw the handle assembly onto the cabinet door or false panel. Double-check that you are using the correct screws. When you close the cabinet door or panel, the handle will automatically slide onto the coupling. You can adjust the coupling depth to match the cabinet installation. Confirm that the door interlock engages properly once the panel is closed. Rotate the handle clockwise to switch the breaker on. Turn the handle back to switch it off. If a trip occurs while the breaker is on, the handle will move to the trip position. To reset it, turn the handle fully to the reset position and then back to off position. To open the door or remove the panel when the handle is in the off position, simply open the door or lift the panel away. If the handle is in the on position, use a screwdriver to decouple the interlock before opening the door. Here you can see how the trip mechanism behaves behind the closed door. The handle moves to the trip position, which must then be turned to reset and finally to off. Lastly, let's demonstrate the padlock locking feature for maintenance safety. When the handle is in the off position, install padlocks to prevent re-energizing. Up to 3 padlocks can be fitted for secure lockout. This ensures the on position is mechanically blocked when locked and the door or panel cannot be opened. If you want to know more about the RO2S 250P rotary handle, visit our website.